Right, so this here is the Corsair XTM50 thermal paste, and at first you may be thinking, why am I covering this? It's just some thermal paste like any other, right? Well, no, because in my long time as a sad tech nerd, I have never seen thermal paste come with as much stuff as this one. So I just had to make a video explaining all of it, and also talk about why it's all just pointless. Actually, wait, I need to go back for the video. So yeah, this isn't just a tub of thermal paste, it's a whole thermal compound applying kit. And honestly, there's quite a bit to it that it's definitely pretty interesting. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff here. Let's start with the most obvious, the thermal paste. And clearly you get a lot of it. We have 5 grams here, which is definitely quite a bit. Enough for quite a few applications. However, apart from giving you a whopping 5 grams of thermal paste, that's not where the madness ends, because you also get this, a thermal paste applicator, which is basically just like a piece of acrylic, very thin acrylic, which is a Corsair logo, that's supposed to help you apply your thermal paste. Pretty cool, especially since most thermal pastes that do come with some kind of applicator, it's usually just like a tiny spatula, so that's cool as well. But do you know why I couldn't care less, even though it does look kind of neat? I have to give it that. Do you want to know the best way to apply thermal paste without needing something like this? Just come here, I'm gonna share a little secret with you. And there it is, thermal paste beautifully applied without needing anything like this. So why do they even add it in? Well, to make the experience better, to make it feel like they care about you more, and to make the whole thing feel more prestigious. Because come on, how many thermal pastes can you name that come with a awesome looking thermal paste applicator? And of course it makes you feel like you need something like this to apply your thermal paste. So if you're looking at thermal pastes, you think, hey, this stuff is cool, and it comes with this, why not? But that's not even the silliest thing that comes with this thermal compound kit, or whatever they decide to call it. Then you have this thing, which is, I mean, it's just confusing. You align it with your CPU, and as you can see, it even has like holes reminiscent of like a CPU cooler mounting thing, and then you use that to apply your CPU thermal paste perfectly. So you probably know what I'm going to say about it. Absolutely useless. It's cool that it comes with it, but again, you really don't need it. All you have to do is, step 1, take off the cap, step 2, apply a tiny bit on your CPU, and step 3, smash your CPU cooler on top to spread it out. And while you're smashing things, also smash that subscribe button, huh? But that's all the stuff that comes with the thermal paste. How does it actually perform? Well, on my personal test bench, which uses a FX 8350 CPU and a Shadow Rock free cooler from the acquired, so a nice combination that both generates quite a bit of heat with the TDP of that thing being 125 watts, and a pretty decent cooler, it can give us a pretty decent picture of what we can expect from this thermal paste. So I ran Cinebench R20 on it with this thermal paste, and then seeing exactly how the temperatures stacked up, so pretty well, right? But how did it stack up with other thermal pastes on the market? Well, that's a really good question, and I'm gonna have a really good video coming up very soon about it, because I'll be taking this along with tons of thermal paste to decide finally which one is truly the best and which one you should use in your PC. So definitely subscribe to the channel, you will not want to miss that video. And videos like that, along with videos like these, wouldn't be possible if not for the help of my Patreons, because even $1 a month goes a long way in helping me make way better videos and also allows me to cover way more interesting topics. So I'd also love for my Patreons, Captain Burns, Ryan, LKB, Naomi Sushi, Tiffany Jacobs, and Wolfie. Thank you all so much. So that's going to be down in the video description below, along with our Amazon Associates links if you want to get this thermal paste yourself, plus our Order Customs affiliate link, and our Discord server if you want to talk to me or others about this or whatever else really. And that's what it's, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, remember, but that's what it's, I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.